Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Raj Thakre's bodyguards assault a canter driver at Bori, put the owner of pickup at gunpoint. Furious workers demand immediate arrest of culprits. Police act soft on the MNS chief. Power Minister to release new connections to industries after the one-year ban. State receives additional 37 megawatt power. Dayanand Narvikar reveals that CM knew about attack on IT Habitat, alleges that government allowed the attack. Oh Maria scores a century, becomes first movie in any language to run for 100 days and go on theatres. Talak announces his 2 new products. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar grilled for giving government ground to I-League club without approval. Babu says other clubs can submit proposal and get grounds. Dempo in a great position to top the league stage on the GPL 3 days. Macwac on top against Gaonkar. GSA hold advantage against Silvodaya. And now the news in detail. Raj Thakre's bodyguards thrashed a Goan driver as he could not overtake a canter. Raj Thakre's bodyguards even assaulted the canter owner and threatened him at gunpoint. Raj Thakre was in his car when all this was happening. This bullying act occurred at Bori Bridge. Borikars are very furious and have demanded arrest of Raj Thakre's associates.
This is Raj Thakre's vehicle. Look at this photograph. Raj himself is driving the car. Thakre's bodyguards locked the Goan driver because Thakre's car could not take over his canter.
किती झाले मडगाव साइड वयतालो खाली करपाक न्हू तेन्ना ते साइडीन वयताले लेफ्ट साइडीन एमएच गाडी ते तिने हांवें पळोवना न्हू कित्याक हांव म्हाज्या साइडीन ओवरटेक करून फुडें वयतालो इतल्यान झूम करून फुडें येयले तर आडयले तर म्हाका मारपाक स्टार्ट केली मारपाक स्टार्ट करता हांवें म्हणलें कितें जालां काय ना इतल्या एक टायम पिस्तूल काडलें तर गुळी हें करपाक गाडी मारली हय ती हांवें चुकयली असो फाटीं सरलो झूम करून हांव पळयलें आनी तेका आनी परत लागलें मारपाक मागीर गाडी आडयली परत फोडली हें करून ते मागीर परत तशेंच गेले फुडें.
Driver immediately reported his patrao about the dadagiri of Raj Thakre and his associates. The owner blocked Thakre's vehicle at Farmagudi. Thakre's bodyguard slapped the canter owner and put him on a gunpoint.
आणि फाटल्यान दुसरी गाडी घेवन हांव येतालो फार्मागुडीच्यान आनी MH9 नंबर ऑडी गाडी आसा ते फोडून गेल्या म्हणून गेला ना थंय हाडयले तांकां MH9 ते गाडी तितून पावलो काल ते म्हाज्या हांगा मारलें थापड कांसला मारलो हांव पडलो रे उठलो तेणें गन काडलें आनी तेकयलें शूट करून काय म्हाका हात मारलो ना वागती धांवत रावलो वच जोकिता म्हाका मागीर ते 10 जाण उबे रावले क्या करताय म्हणटे भिले गाडयेन बसले आनी पळय ते मागीर
गाडयेचो नंबर नोट केलो
MH सिंगल नंबर 9 ऑडी गाडी ग्रे कलर.
Furious Borikar blocked the road for 1.5 hours. People strongly demanded arrest of Thakre's bodyguards.
पुण्याचो कोणाले मनीस आसलो म्हणून कोणाकूय मारून वचपा तांकां रायट ना फालसाक हांगा फाटल्या गाडी मनीस आसता फालसाक आमकांय मारूं शकता फालसाक खऱ्यांनी आतंकवादी आमी कोण मनीस कळपाक जाय न्हू आमकां.
Police have noted the vehicle number and have registered a case against 2 unknown persons. According to the sources, Raj Thakre is staying at a 5-star hotel in Sikeri, but police did not approach him till the late evening for inquiry. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Power Minister Alex Sequeira announced lifting of ban on power connections to industries. For the last 1 year, the State Power Department had stopped release of power connections to industries. Sequeira has said that state has received additional 37 megawatt power. Hence, they will release power connections to industries.
We have been able to electrify Nadkem village, a village, a ward in the village Panchayat of Kotigaon, using non-conventional sources. Power, as of day before yesterday, has been flowing to the houses of the inhabitants of that hamlet. I am also proud to inform this House that the government has decided to also immediately undertake a similar task at Keri in Kotigaon village Panchayat again. Professor Madhav Gadgil, Chairman of the Western Ghat Ecological and Environmental Panel of the MOEF, is also associated with the work. I agree with the view that there has to be a capping on production from the mines, and no more new mining leases should be allowed to be operated, even if they have obtained all statutory clearances. I assure the House that my ministry and its statutory authorities will not hesitate to close or cap any mining operation if it is found that irreversible violations of the statutory clearances are done. As far as the immediate requirement is concerned, I am pleased to announce to this August House today that we have received 37 megawatts of power additional, and in view of this, we shall lift the ban on release of power connections to industries.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with sub-editor Paresh Parab and video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Former Information and Technology Minister Dayanand Narvekar grilled CM Digambar Kamath during assembly sessions on Monday. He said that he had intimated CM about the attack on IT Habitat well in advance, but still government allowed it and did nothing. Narvekar further said that industrialists are scared of the law and order situation at the Habitat and as such they hesitate to come there.
ना पण तुम्ही तर तालिगांव बाबतीत जर अपुरबाय करताय जाल्यार बाकीच्या म्हाका दिसता आमच्या सालिगांव बाबतीत कितें आसा पळय थंय अपुरबाय करची.
because the reason of closing down of the project is because they don't have powers. थंय आयज ऑक्युपन्सीचो रेट कितें चल्ला खबर आहा? 1000 रुपया स्क्वेअर मेत्राक चल्ला ताळगांवान. खबर नाल्यार हांव सांगता. मागीर हातूनय ते हाडटले काय कितें? 1 विंडोचे 2 विंडो करतले काय कितें?
Chief Minister, let me remind you, it has taken more than 4 years for you to take a decision.
प्रत्येक प्लॉटवालो तेच उत्तर दिता. दुसरें रिजन ते दितात पळय ते कंडिशन प्रिवेल. थंय मारामारी जी कितें जाल्ली जातूंतल्यान 45 लाखाचें काय 35 लाखाचें नुकसान जालें. 35 न्हय तें कंडिशन अजुनूय आसा. तो फियर फॅक्टर अजुनूय आसा अशें प्रत्येकाचें म्हणणें आहा.
I am asking government to pay their money back instead of doing this. हे कितें चल्लां? वो सेटलमेंट चल्ला काय आर्ग्युमेंट चल्ला काय पैसे जाय? एके वटेन पंचायतीक धाड म्हणटा, दुसरे वटेन बोर्ड पैसे मारता. जी बर्न आसा इंडस्ट्री तेका लीज पिरियडाचे पैसे मारता, तांकां पिनल इंट्रेस्ट घालता, तांकां आनी कसलो इंट्रेस्ट घालता. What is the picture you are going to give to the people of India? Whether you want people to invest money in India, in Goa, or you want to say that yes, we took your money. आमी 90 कोटी घेतले, आता आमकां 100 कोटी दियात. Problem is with the government is, in spite of knowing that it is going to be attacked on that day, Chief Minister will confirm with me, I had given advance information. It was allowed to happen. And not even a charge sheet is filed in this particular case. When the government has lost 42 lakhs, make a categorical statement. IT and sports will not come under the ambit of the Panchayat.
Government will make a sincere effort to revive this project. I was told that some of the plot owners have expressed their willingness even to start the work. We are trying to sort out that issue. As far as security is concerned, whoever wants to start the work, if he comes with a proposal, government will consider.
A senior reporter from Assembly Rakesh Kanolkar, sub-editor Aparna Gaundalkar and video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Rajendra Talak's O Maria had its 100th show on Monday. The show received huge response. Talak accredited the success of the movie to its team. O Maria will now showcase in Dubai following as Goans in Dubai are demanding screening of the movie. Talak has already started working on 2 more movies.
म्हाका पयलींपासून दिसतालें की आलिशा केलो, अंतर्नाद केलो, सावरिया.com केलो, अजून पर्यंत जाय तशी जाग जावं नाशिल्ली. पूण आतां ह्या 4थ्या फिल्माक वेळ लागलो खरो म्हणटात, पूण येस, वी स्टार्टेड.
Now let this message spread to Bombay, Pune and Bangalore. There's a nice movie coming. It's coming up now. People from Dubai are asking us, Baba, oh Maria, kenna jatle. Even we are ready to screen in Dubai.
Any other international festival
We are trying. Already entries are sent. We are sent for Venice already. Okay. And we are trying for some more. There is one festival in Gulf also. We have sent us the entry form. We have not yet submitted our entry. Now other festivals are somewhere in July, August. So looking for some 2-3 festivals. Yes, I'm working on 2 films.
एक्चुअली मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि एक नई भाषा पहले सीखने में इट्स नॉट ईजी एट ऑल, इट्स क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट. Konkani is quite close to Marathi, so I could understand it, but still you have to get the dialect right, the language right, the pronunciation right. So just doing that was very challenging for me.
अगर आपको कोई और कोंकणी फिल्म
हाँ,
ऑफर दे तो
मैं बिल्कुल करूँगी, क्यों नहीं, अभी तो सीख लिया language, तो I'm not scared of the language.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.